Hey delivery service owners, are you looking for a professional, affordable website to advertise your services? You're in the right spot, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MartySites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your delivery service. Let's jump in. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you aren't quite familiar with MartySites yet, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. All you need to do is click on the link below this video to get started with it. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. Once you've joined the platform, to build your website, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market. Now, as you can see, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, delivery service. You also have the option to select the general service business. You can be more specific and select grocery delivery service or milk delivery service, but I'm just going to select the general one for now. Great, let's tell MartySites a few basic details about our business so we can generate a simple website. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the MartySites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, MartySites will generate a simple website for your business instantly and automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now because today I'm going to be the one to show you how easy it is to make changes to your brand new website. The great thing about the MartySites platform, which makes us a little bit different from other website builders, is we've actually pre-written all the content specific to a delivery service and pre-selected images as well specific to that market too. It doesn't matter which market you select out of the hundreds, it will literally have pre-written content and pre-selected images specific to that market. How awesome is that? Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your local business. Of course, everything can be more personalized or made more to suit your business, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. Let's click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers, so I'm going to check that box. Phone numbers, click to call, and physical location, maybe on mobile, but if you put in an address here where your customers can actually click on it and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Over here, you can put in the social media links for your business. The icons will be displayed once you've done that, and your customers can click on those little icons and be taken directly to your social media profiles. If you've got a business logo, make your way over to the next section to upload it. You can make minor edits to your logo, or click on the right here, you can resize your logo to fit into that section a bit better. To change the colors, all you need to do is click on that paint icon. There are so many color palettes to choose from. For each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your business, maybe change those images or the content, just click on that handy button directly underneath it. You have the option to upload your own images here from your device or search the photo library. Got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. It will automatically search for delivery service, but you can change the keywords and see what images pop up. They're all completely free for you to use. You can also connect your Instagram account and pull in those photos as well. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they link to. It's a great way to upload a PDF file, maybe with pricing points or packages for your delivery service. Maybe you can put in all the pricing points or link to another website for if you use a calendar booking for your delivery service. A lot of our customers like to make use of Calendly. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form. Over here, your customers can easily reach out to you. Now, if you've already purchased a custom domain for your business, that was a very smart move because having a custom domain for your small business websites definitely makes it look more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your local competitors. If you have already purchased a custom domain, you can click on that button at the bottom. So I already have a domain. MartySites makes use of entry, which makes connecting your domain super simple. It literally does it for you. If you don't quite have a domain yet and you really want one, you can click on this button and purchase one via the MartySites platform. How convenient is that? I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable website for your delivery service on the MartySites platform. I'm really wishing you and your business Marty success. If you have any questions about our platform, do pop them down below. I'd be happy to answer them.